Hello everybody, it's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and we are back with another virtual story time. So this week we are celebrating Shark Week. So I'm going to read Misunderstood Shark. Hello people, today on Underwater World with Bob, fun facts about shark. Shark, the people are watching. Don't eat that fish in front of the people. The people can see me. You misunderstood. I wasn't going to eat him. I was just showing him my new tooth. Fun fact about that, sharks can grow and lose 30,000 teeth in their lifetime. 30,000? Shark's tooth fairy must be exhausted. Fine, Shark, maybe you weren't going to eat that fish. Shark? Where's Shark? Oh no. Shark! Not the baby seal. Don't eat the baby seal in front of the people. The people, you misunderstood. I wasn't going to eat her. I was just helping her find her family. Thanks, Mr. Shark. You're my favorite. You're my favorite too. Fun fact about that, a great white shark can eat 22,000 pounds of food in a year, and seals are their favorite. What did the shark say after he met a seal? Burp. People, I may have misunderstood Shark. Shark? Where's Shark now? What is it, Shark? What do you smell, Shark? Tell us what you smell, Shark. I smell blood. Oh, fun fact about that. Some sharks can smell a single drop of blood in 1,000,000 drops of what? Oh, forget the fact he smells blood. Get out of his way. No, Shark, don't eat the people in front of the people. Blood, 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 blood. I brought boo-boo strips. What a nice shark. Shark, run for your lives. Wait. I was just trying to help, but the people misunderstood me too. The ocean gets its saltiness from the tears of misunderstood sharks. I read that somewhere. All 3 of my little squid hearts are breaking. I wasn't gonna eat the people. I wasn't even gonna bite them a little. People, I know sharks can seem scary, but you're actually thousands of times more likely to be bitten by another person than bitten by a shark. That's a fact. People bite each other? Maybe they taste like chicken. And there you have it, folks. Sharks really are just misunderstood. I need a hug. Don't look at us when it comes to hugs. Squid stink. Because if you squeeze us, we ink. I suppose I could. Hug time. This is nice. This is nice. You smell good. Uh-oh. I can't watch. Gulp. You ate me. I can't believe you really ate me in front of the people. You misunderstood again. I didn't eat you. I'm just playing hide and seek with you. Wanna play? Ah! Goodbye, people. Tune in next time for more fun facts and an inside view of our underwater world. When you talk, it tickles. That's a wrap.
Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do. Grab Rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rub your hands. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rinse your hands. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do, dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do, dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do, dry your hands.
What else can we do?
Cover your sneeze, do-do-do-do-do, cover your sneeze, do-do-do-do-do, cover your sneeze, do-do-do-do-do, cover your sneeze. Cup into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do, cup into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do, cup into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do, cup into your elbow. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last. Phew! Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do, let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do, let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do, let's stay healthy. Oh yeah!
Hi friends, it's Miss Amelia at the library, and this week I have a special shark story to read to you. This story is called Big Shark, Little Shark, Baby Shark, and this is by Anna Membrino. Big Shark, Little Shark. Big Shark and Little Shark are friends. They are at the shark park. They play games. They have fun. Oh no, here comes Baby Shark. Big Shark and Little Shark do not want to play with Baby Shark. Baby Shark is too little. Baby Shark is too slow. It is not fun to play with Baby Shark. Big Shark and Little Shark swim away. Baby Shark is sad. Baby Shark swims to Mommy Shark and Daddy Shark. They are mad at Big Shark and Little Shark. Mommy Shark tells Grandpa Shark what Big Shark and Little Shark did. Uh-oh. Grandpa Shark tells Grandma Shark what Big Shark and Little Shark did. The family of sharks is mad. What will they do? All 5 sharks take a deep breath. They will play their own game. Now Big Shark and Little Shark want to play. They say they are sorry for not being kind. Baby Shark asks them to play too. They all play shark baseball together. The end.